Welcome to our channel. How can you determine how many charge cycles your battery has and how many are left? How to test the capacity of the battery? SEMCO offers an exceptional solution to these challenges through its well-known cell tester. 5V 100 ampere 16 channel. Here are the key features of this machine. High quality testing enclosure. High precision testing. Multiple channels. User-friendly interface. How our product works. Step 1. Connect the battery to the machine. Step 2. Connect the machine to the computer with the help of a communication cable. Step 3. Turn on the machine after all the connections have been. Step 4. Analyze the parameters using the SEMCO software platform.